The iPhone 14 Plus comes with 6.7-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and Apple's improved Bionic A16 processor. On the back, there is a triple camera setup with 48MP main camera. Prices start from $1,099. The iPhone 14 Pro Max was announced at Apple's Far Out event on September 7, 2022. Launching this September, the phone is the company's largest and most advanced ever. It will be succeeding the iPhone 13 Pro Max as the crown jewel in Apple's portfolio and will carry a premium price tag. The iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with a large 6.7-inch Samsung-made OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and an always-on display functionality. The phone comes Apple's new A16 Bionic chipset, 6GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and will available in the following storage variants: 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and the range-topping 1TB version. Another big selling point of the iPhone 14 Pro Max might be its camera and its new 48MP sensor. It uses an 1/1.3-inch sensor and utilizes quad binning in order to achieve much better detail and low-light image quality in comparison with Apple's 12MP cameras of old. High refresh rate, 120Hz. 5G ready. High screen-to-body ratio, 88.45%. Supports wireless charging. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.